Now, I didn't mean to scare you guys. I'm not going to run you over. But today, taking a break from the Camaro, we're working on the tow truck right now. What we're going to be doing is taking off this crusty, dented up fender, replacing it with the new used junkyard fender. Got it for 60 bucks at a local junkyard, but it'll look a hell of a lot better than that dented up, rusty one. I don't think I've ever showed this thing off yet, so let me give you a quick tour. It's a GMC SIERRA 1500. It's a Stepside extended cab Z71. It's a 98. The inside, it's pretty clean in here. Headliner sagging, but that's every GM truck. It's in pretty good shape. It does what it's sold. It's a good little tow pig. But let's get after it. I'm gonna start getting the hood off, get everything in order. I also wanted to show off a little bit real quick. Picked this up the other night on Facebook Marketplace. It's a Harbor Freight 5-drawer cart. It's got the little shelf on it too, full of Harbor Freight in this corner. We got nothing but Harbor Freight up there. We got Harbor Freight over here. But I know some of you are thinking he's got to have something, snap on or anything. Now make sure you keep it in your pants real quick, because we got the snap on socks. I know. Put it away. No need for that right now. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get to work. First things first, let's get this hood popped and get it off. Going to take it off just on the hinges over here, I think. Probably the easiest. Shouldn't take me too long. I need help from my beautiful assistant, though. I can't do this on my own. Even though I'm a ginormous man and incredibly handsome, there's some things that I need help with. But hold on a second. Now, I know most of you at home have yourselves a GMT 400 pickup, but I know most of you at home don't have to work in under hood light. So I'm doing nothing but bragging on you today. Snap-on socks, working under hood lights. What's next? A winning lottery ticket? I don't know yet. We'll find out. Just wait. Hold on. Now the hood's off, let's get started on this fender over here. I think I'm gonna stop playing games and start using an actual impact gun now. There's that one. And I think I'm gonna leave the 3 in the back alone until I get working on the ones down here. I gotta figure out a way to get to the one on the bumper. That one might be a little bit of a challenge. Alright, the ratcheting wrench, it didn't work. We're not gonna panic. We're not gonna freak out. Calm down, it'll come off. I'm gonna try to get it with this first. Maybe if I take off the big extension and just get in like this. But now I don't have enough extension. Help me understand. It just doesn't make sense. You guys are no help right now. Gee, I gotta do everything myself. 563. There we go. We're in business. We're rocking. We're rolling. First try. I don't understand why you guys were worried, you know? I got snap-on socks. We're a professional. Well, I've just never seen a longer bolt. Or a tighter one at that. Oh my, I'm breaking a sweat here. Jesus. Oh. I'm sweating. In a minute, this video is about to be on a different side. I'm gonna take off my shirt. My knees are killing me like a whore on a Tuesday. Jesus. Mary and Joseph. Back at it with the longest bolt in the world. Why this bolt is so hard to come out? It's just not making any sense to me. Oh man. I'm gonna work on this for another 25 minutes before I get this bolt out. Alright. We got the wobble on a swivel on a shallow. Maybe, just maybe. Oh my God. Let's get a longer extension going. I'll put it right next to you guys. Thanks for holding it for me. I don't know if you saw that, but I almost fell over. That would have been embarrassing. Come on now. Be nice to me. Come on. There we go. This bolt in here. This is what's become my arch enemy. Oh my God. It's got me struggling so hard I can't even remember English. Jesus, we've been out here for only 10 minutes. This is a nightmare. I don't know why you guys are so tall on me. I'm only 5'8", but 5'10" on Tinder. All right. Gotta get this little piece of the cowl off, and of course I forgot a screwdriver. So, back to the garage. Just gotta get this little guy right here off. There we go. Gotta make sure we throw that little screw into the woods, so that way we lose it later. And we just gotta get this one, these two, and then bang, bang. Fender should come loose. So let's get after it. After getting the mother of all extensions, I can finally get in there. This extension's so long I can do it back in the garage. I don't even need to be standing here. I can go back in the house even. There's that guy. And one more on the bottom. And this fender should fall right off of the truck. Forgot one more down here on the bottom. It's always how it goes, right? I was fighting that for 15 minutes before I realized I could do that. Words don't describe my feelings right now. No, they don't. Moment of truth. Success! Finally. Jesus. Didn't mean to give you guys a show there, but I am drenched. I'm gonna go take a much needed water break, spend some time in air conditioning, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so there we have it. We got the new fender put right back on, the old tow pig. Body lines are a little tight back here and a little loose back here. But for the most part, it's way better than a big dent hanging right on the side of her pretty side. But that's gonna do it for this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one where I'm probably working back on the Camaro or a different project, my Mustang, that you guys haven't seen yet. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.